Hey folks, I'm HVAC repair guy and I spent over 17 years in the field as a technician, installer, and contractor after serving as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we will look at two central air conditioning options to help you decide what belongs on your pad. The Friedrich FRA16AY and the Della ducted central AC 17 SEER2. The Friedrich FRA16AY features a louvered coil guard and a factory-installed compressor sound blanket. The louvered paneling gives solid protection against lawnmowers, yard debris, and weather. On the Della unit, you also get a compressor sound blanket, but it lacks a louvered coil cabinet, leaving the outdoor coil fins more exposed. The Friedrich unit delivers a 16.0 SEER rating and runs at about 72 decibels. The Della unit offers a 17.0 SEER rating and operates at a noticeably quieter 58 decibels. Both systems use similar two-stage setups without variable speed compressors or variable speed condenser fans. Both the Friedrich FRA16AY and the Della 17 SEER2 rely on a two-speed compressor paired with a two-speed outdoor fan motor to shift between high and low cooling stages. The Friedrich FRA16AY is built by Rheem in their manufacturing facilities in Mexico. The Della ducted central AC17 SEER2 is manufactured in China. The Friedrich FRA16AY outdoor condenser sells between $2,200 and $3,500 depending on tonnage. A full matched Friedrich system with air handler ranges from about $3,500 to $4,800. The Della 17 SEER2 full central system comes in around $2,600 to $3,500. Friedrich backs the FRA16AY with a 10-year parts warranty, a 10-year compressor warranty, and a 10-year unit replacement warranty. Della only offers a 1-year parts warranty and a 1-year compressor warranty with no unit replacement guarantee. If I am standing next to this equipment making the call for your home, the winner is the Friedrich FRA16AY. Della gives you a slight edge in efficiency and quieter operation, but a central system backed by only 1 year of warranty is too much long-term risk compared to Friedrich's 10-year replacement security